Again? Okay, do it again, do it again. Put your green ping pong bin in the gravity machine again. Oh, let's take this other ramp out.
Yellow, come on down.
There we go. Try it again, buddy. Put it in the regular gravity machine and see if it works. Oh! That went too fast, didn't it?
Again?
Yeah, do it again. Well, now that we're doing a video, it just doesn't work anymore, does it? I did it every time before we started the video. What? What is it?